Don't press the button. Number 1. Loading. Play button. The button disappeared. Press the button if you found it. Smiley live XL. Oh, press the button! No. This video is gonna be longer. The lava is rising. Hurry to the top. Oh my gosh. I made it to the top. Alright, look at me. Very nice. That's right. I'm the only one that survived. Okay. Go, go, go! Press the button! Oh, that was me. All day, every day. Spiky walls are closing in. Don't touch the spiky walls. Don't press the button. Number 2. On Point Productions. Play button. Seems I am on a trampoline. And there is no button inside. So I've got to open my eyes and make sure I click the button. Oh, this is bullcrap. No, I didn't touch the button. Because this game sucks. PS5! I'm coming. No! My button! I pressed that button clearly. Don't press the button. Ocean. Duality player? Very sexy. What is this? What is going on? What is this? Wow. Don't press the button, Maxine APL. Don't press. This is number 4. Okay, so for this one, I can't play this game because it put me at the top. Press the button! No. I missed the button. Go to the button! Me press the button! No, 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 that's cheating. I pressed the button. That was super duper easy. Don't press the button. Number 5. Free VIP server. Echo Vocaloid. Play button. Oh, look at this. A very, very nice and easy click of the button. Fully operational? Oh, this guy donated 10,000 Robux. Don't press the button. Killer. Oh, killer. Very, very creepy. No, 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 me. Soccer game. Me press the button. This is, what the heck is this book? Boom. There you go. Wait, are we supposed to have more balls or less? What the heck is that? That guy is glued to that ball. How is that possible? What are you guys doing? We're winning, yeah? Because we've got the most balls? Or the least amount of balls? What? We've clearly won because the other team does not have a brain power to, I messed up. I'm supposed to put the balls on our side, right? Press the button! Run away from the zombies? Okay. Don't press the button! Ultimate! Okay. Get ready? What is this? A storm is approaching? Holy crap, it's already here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Lightning. Oh my gosh. 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 That was too easy of a win. Moving lasers? Okay, watch this technique. Very, 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 very hard. This is a very, very hard level. Super duper 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 hard. Final don't press the button level. As you can see, it has 3 powerful beings. Flippy, Thanos, Ruler Man. Don't press the button. Windows 10 YouTube. Holy crap. This guy took on the challenge of the drooling zombies. I will help you. No! Priest8! Oh, thank you, Priest8. Press the button. Okay. Boom. Oh my gosh! Magnificent tidal wave! I was completely destroyed. I had no chance of winning that. What the heck? Look at how big this is. I got a teleportation tool. This is very, very nice. They gave me god powers, but I can't even survive that. Let's see. Thanos himself! Okay, I Mario'd him out of the game. Oh, look, another button? Nice. Click it. Okay. I think that's funny. Windows 10 YouTube. Let me show you something funny. That's right. Boom. I clicked the button again. Jeez. Okay. Thanos again! That's it. Watch this move. Shoot!